Welcome to part 2 of the Bash to the Future series. I think that's how I'm gonna do this intro. That sounds about right. Just got here, slept nothing, as you guys saw in the last vlog. We just unloaded the car. I unhooked the trailer. I'm gonna end up moving back to where we're gonna camp, like set up, you know, our little site, unload everything. We're gonna do all that good stuff. We're gonna have driver's meeting in about 15 minutes. And in drift fashion, we got some last minute preps. We got man still building his car. You're lit. Oh, okay. I was about to say, like, you're literally putting your car together. So Bay Rod's almost done. Done. Jesus Christ, we haven't even drifted yet, bro. What happened? Oh, you were cutting your
I have the angle grinder out?
Yeah, what's up with that, man?
Allow me to show you, man. we're making some room.
Are those certified safety glasses? But yeah, we're pretty much all set up how we're gonna do it. We need to have a driver's meeting first, and after driver's meeting, I gotta fill up my fuel cell with gas because I'm currently low at the moment. I didn't want to have all that extra weight. How do you feel with the 1 hour of sleep we had, dude?
I feel amazing.
Hey, this show's for little kids, man. Stop cussing.
Oh, my bad. Are you gonna?
I'm gonna have to edit
these out?
Yeah, of course. I beat.
So be like,
dude.
Real quick, and I'll try not to ramble too much. First things first.
It's so glorious, I guess. Let's clap together. I don't know what's happening. Do you understand? Off camera, I didn't really record. I ended up filling up the fuel cell. We're gonna go get tech inspected. Hopefully we pass it. And we're gonna do a few runs. I'll do them off camera. I've never been on this track. It's a crazy old track. Insert GPS map. See that? That's super insane. So I'm gonna probably just drive it around once or twice. Once I can get like a little bit of hang of it, then I'll start slapping on cameras and stuff. So we put some laps down. They were cool, they were okay. I spun out. I can't really connect the track fully just yet. There is dirt on the track that is kind of messing me up. That's no excuse, you know. I should be able to like control it and get through the dirt. And you know, I'm just gonna end up, I'm gonna kill and waste this last set of tire. There's not much life on them. I should get another like lap or two. I might not end up gripping up. I'm on like 10 PSI on those tires, but I'm gonna do some runs. I'm gonna put you guys inside the car and do some, you guys will be able to see what the heck I'm doing inside the car. But let's kill this set off and then we'll see where we go from there.
So for my own record, I just want to know that my temperature at the moment is at 164, and we'll see how hot I get after one lap. Not bad. Still some iffy spots. We went up to 188, so that's like a what? 40 degree or so, no, 20 degree or so gain. But yeah, not bad. We just killed off one set of tires. Those things are looking a little bunk, you know? So we dropped a fresh set. This is the first time I'm ever gonna drift on a brand new set of tires. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have my brother passenger. He's gonna be filming. We'll see what kind of runs we could get. So far, the car's been feeling super smooth. I don't see any issues at all besides like my temp going up really high because I'm at the top of third, just like banging rev limiter. So I let it cool off for a bit and we'll hopefully we can get some more runs in. All right. All up. It's cool, man. I'm gripping, so I can feel the difference in the new tires. Oh yeah, I can feel a huge difference in the new tires. I'm used to like ice skating, you know? Dedicate to like the throttle with these new tires. It actually grips and goes where I want it. I'm not used to that. I'm used to ice skating and like gliding through everything. So 100% these new tires are putting in work. I like it. I got to drive a little bit more aggressive, a little wider, and the car's going to respond to what I tell it to do, which is great. 100%. This is the way I always wanted to be. And I'm not used to it. Again, first time ever drifting on a brand new set of tires, and oh, the car feels so much more aggressive. Oh, I'm excited. So I'm still doing only hydro entries because that's really all I can do at the moment. But I'm not really that mad. Yeah, the car is super gripped up. I love it! We're at 210, 211. I'm gonna do a cool down lap. Get some double action going on, man. What's up, man? All right, let's do it. Did the same thing last time. I'm not used to the grip. That's what I mean. It doesn't grab. Weird. All right, something's wrong. Really gripped up. Oh yeah, really gripped up. All right, you ready? Thank you.
Oh my, wait, show that again.
Holy
shit. What?
Oh my god, dude.
How does that even happen, bro? Sheesh. Yeah, whatever tires these are, they're gripping way better. Oh, did it just unstick?
Yeah.
Okay, all right then, all right.
All right.
Keep it clean, you got it.
It was a pedal.
That pedal was so sketchy.
super hot right now. You want to go spray it off?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
Dude, those runs are fucking amazing. Bro. I am baked. I am covered in probably another layer of dirt. I'm tired. I've been running on sodas, coffee, carbs, the pancakes from the morning, and just pure adrenaline keeping me up all week. It's currently 6:26. Everyone's still out drifting, but honestly my body's shutting down. I can't go on much longer. Gonna go back. We got a hotel, by the way. Everyone else is camping, but yeah, I'm gonna go back to the hotel, shower, grab some food, and then knock out, and then do it all over again tomorrow morning. But that's gonna conclude today's episode. Hopefully I got a lot of footage for you guys, a lot of good runs. I stopped recording towards the end of the day. I was just trying to kill off tires and they wouldn't die. It's like, I don't know what the heck was up with those tires. They just kept on trucking and I couldn't kill them off. But hopefully I have enough footage. Hopefully the video is awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I see you guys subscribing. I see you guys liking. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys so much. Peace.